What's up, YouTube? Insanity Stang. We're gonna be going out to Muncie Dragway. We'll be doing a streetcar race war out there. We got a couple cars out here right now. I'm about to head down that way now. All right, guys, we are heading out now. We're gonna head down to Muncie Dragway. The cars are going to be rolling out with us. Meeting some other people there as well. GTR over here, another Mustang. It's going to be an awesome night. Alright guys, we made it. We are here right now, just parked up. I'm going to show you guys our lineup, show you maybe some of the other cars that are here.
car didn't even flash its lights.
Alright guys, we're gonna make a couple more passes here. I'm doing a ride along right here with Sam from the Outlaws and his EcoBoost. What's done to it?
It's got a Roush coulter intake, boiler attack exhaust, pedal commander. It's got a wastegate, a few other fun exterior modifications, but not much done to it. It's all on warranty, so. But we've been running some decent times a day, nothing crazy.
We'll go ahead and give you guys a kind of a show of what this is like, and it's also it's automatic, right? Automatic.
Yeah, automatic.
So we're gonna get a couple runs in here. We'll show you guys what's going on. We're lined up. We're racing this Trans Am over here. Go ahead and give her a run. We're gonna make another pass here. We're with Dave. He's also from the Outlaws, along with Sam. That's gonna be his 5.0. What do you got done to it, Dave?
A little bit. We got to tune headers, Roush coulter intake. Haven't really built up the engine a whole bunch, but I did get 3-inch exhaust all the way out the back of it. So that helps a little bit. Got 19-inch wheels on it, lowered, short throw shifter, and a few other things, a little suspension work and stuff like that. Just want to set up wild headlights that illuminate, and a lot of people don't see those and stuff like that. So we'll find out where we're at up here. Is it going to take us right on to track probably.
All right, we're going to go ahead.
So let me get that set up. And traction controls off.
All right, we are going to run Sam, the one you saw right over there in the last video here. We'll go ahead and run Sam right here in the EcoBoost. Let's get this going.
Well, there it was.
Yeah.
Quick and easy.
All right, guys, that concludes the video. We made it back home finally. We'll go ahead and get some sleep. It is early, as you can't tell. We got out of there maybe about midnight. A little bit of a drive, stopped to eat. So go ahead and get some sleep, and see you guys next time. Make sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on all the social medias. Check out some of the other accounts down there in the description, and we'll see you guys next week.